Happy Monday, Castle team. This is Amanda and Katrina here with this week's Castle Communication, where we are breaking barriers and building futures. First of all, some updates. The CASP testing window does open today, but Castle will not begin testing till April 19th for several grade levels. Please let us know if you have changed your CASP calendar so that we can update our master calendar. During testing, 3rd through 6th grade may do their own ELD and walk to learn.
A big thank you to Natalie and Jill for getting the requisition pushed through for Dreambox. It has been renewed, so our students and teachers have access to Dreambox for the rest of this year and next year.
And then co-teaching with specialists is canceled this week. We need that time to be used to devote to summer STEAM curriculum development and ordering. So thank you for your flexibility.
We are having a CASP rally tomorrow at 1:35 on the Blacktop for all 3rd through 6th grade classes. This is a time to get kids motivated and focused as we head into CASP testing season.
And then just for 6th grade, we'll have Avid interviews this Tuesday, April 17th at about 2 o'clock. We'll have somebody come to your room and get your kids and interview them in the Family Resource Center.
Our fresh fruit and vegetable grant, the last day it will be served is April 25th. That's when we've used up all the money for the grant. So please let your students know that we will not be having that recess time snack after April 25th.
And then our district track meet is this Saturday, 4/21 at 8 a.m. at Stockdale High School. If you can, come out and cheer on our athletes.
We had a lockdown scheduled for tomorrow, but with the CASP rally, we are postponing that to next Tuesday, April 24th. So please change your calendars.
And then 4th grade Girl Talk is scheduled for this Friday, 4/20 at 2:15, and the NPR, Miss Alvarado, will be leading that assembly.
And prepare for next week, April 23rd through the 27th. We will not have Inspire Labs or collaborations, so the specialists can finalize the summer STEAM curriculum.
Okay, some reminders. Coast to Coast Soccer will be here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We are adding basketball to the 5th and 6th grade lunch recess.
Champion a Child continues this week. Make sure you meet with your student and plan a schedule for the rest of the week to touch base. And then don't forget to turn in your tally sheet weekly to the box by Natalie's desk.
And the ELA interim window continues to stay open through April 20th.
As you proceed doing data analysis, either for the interims or any of the CFAs that you create, please let Katrina and Amanda know when you will be conducting data analysis. Brandy Dye, our shepherd from the district office, would like to visit a data analysis session.
And then we will have a staff meeting this Wednesday for 3rd through 6th grades. This is our mandatory CASP training. This will be an extended staff meeting from 2:15 to 3:50. We will probably be having this in Mr. Sniffin's room. TK through 2nd grade, you will have an extended PLC during this time.
We are excited to have a Castle Family Color Run this Wednesday from 4 to 6 p.m. We would love for you to come out and support the families and help us with the color run.
And then for kinder to 2nd grade, you have ELD planning time for quarter 4. You may have 4 hours extra duty for planning. Please schedule a time when Shannon or Jill can support your team.
And now for some shout outs. A big thank you to John Rosenau for organizing the Title I annual review last week.
And then thank you to all grade levels for organizing awards last week.
Thank you to our 2nd grade team, Jen Neal, Jen Banat, Jen Cozy, Shar, and Ginny for participating in the class versus class game during awards.
Thank you, Anna and Melvin, for being flexible and preparing the NPR for awards in our Camp Keep meeting last week. You guys rock.
A big thank you to Bree and Jill for facilitating summer STEAM curriculum planning and ordering.
Thank you to our wonderful STEAM specialists, Jamie, Shannon, Misty, Emilio, Anthony, Becky, and Cody for writing summer STEAM curriculum and working on those supply orders.
A big thank you to Bree, 4th grade, and anybody else who has helped with organizing the CASP rally for our students tomorrow.
Then thank you, Misty, for coordinating the ACES rummage sale.
And a thank you to Grant, Tony, and Mr. Nelson for helping with the track prelims last week at Thompson.
And finally, thank you, 5th grade, for conducting the physical fitness testing last week.
All right, Castle staff, thank you for listening to this week's Castle Communication. And please remember our 3 school priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture.